Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. I would like to teach about creativity to my students. My dear young students, creativity. Say, how can you develop creativity? Thinking in a different way, getting results which are not being expected by any other person. That is creativity. And how to develop creativity? So, first one is you should have confidence. That is, when you have confidence, you can ask questions. You have ability to question without fear when you have confidence. Then only you will learn something. So when you don't have confidence, you cannot ask, you cannot learn. And so the first and foremost thing you need is you should have confidence to question without fear. That makes you to learn many things. That makes you to be creative in life. That is the first thing you should have is confidence. The second one is observation. You should be observing many things, and so seeing problems and ideas here. You observe what are the problems people are facing or you are facing in achieving your goal, and then observe so many ideas. Lot of ideas come to your mind. Then observe your ideas, study them, find out which is the best one, focus on the best idea and go forward. That's the one thing, observation. The very important quality one should have is humility. So knowing you don't know everything, feel that. So knowledge is wide. We know very little amount of knowledge. Always feel that knowing you don't know everything. And you should have an attitude that you don't know anything, and you should have curiosity to know, and you should have an interest to know each and everything. That makes you creative personality. So another one is mindfulness. So thinking on how you think is a mindfulness. Always you should be in a present situation and thinking in a right way, thinking in a desirable way, thinking in a proper way, thinking in the moment is the mindfulness. Curiosity, exploring and experimenting. You should have curious to know the things. Then you should do an experiment. You should come out with the result. Then you can assess. Then you can come to know the actual facts. So you must be curious. Then only you will become creative. And then resourcefulness. And you should utilize all the resources you have. And you should be linked up with the resources available, and you should work to get your results. And then energy, that's very important. The capacity to do work is known as energy. The capacity to do work is known as energy. You must be energetic, and you must explore, and you must utilize your energy in order to get what you want in your life. Then you will also become a creative personality. Ultimately, action is important. Unless and until you come into the action, unless and until you do, if you have ideas in your mind, you have put it on paper, but you don't put your efforts into action, what is the use? If you want to become a creative personality, you put all your ideas into the action and keep all your efforts in achieving what you want in your life. Think differently. Don't go as the crowd goes. Think in a different way. Think in a lateral way. And develop proactive thinking. Develop possibility thinking. Then you will become creative personality, and which is one of the best skills required in 21st century, creativity. So out of the four or five 21st centuries like creativity, communication skills, collaboration, and so like that. So creativity is one of the skills one must learn in 21st century. So you can develop your creativity by observing this what I have discussed with you. Shubham Bhuyat.